Hello! Today's video is going to cover something that I'm sure is familiar to many of you. It certainly is to me, which is using Gmail as a to-do list. Most of us have emailed ourselves at some point to remind us that we have to do something later, and we're going to review some of the tools and topics inside of Gmail that can help us keep track of everything we have to do. So personally, if I'm away from the computer or otherwise occupied, and all of a sudden I have a great idea, what I will often do is send myself an email from my phone. I know that I check my email every single morning, so I know that if I do this, I'll never miss this important reminder of my ideas. However, we can add some functionality to this basic process using Gmail. First, let's compose a message just like normal by hitting Compose, and send it to our own email address. However, we want to give it a subject line that will be consistently used when we send these types of emails. So I'm going to title it To Do, and then I can put any details after the colon. For example, today I'll say, record a video tomorrow, and then I'll put NM in the message, meaning no message, as everything I need is in the subject. Now, when I look at this here, it's easy to see. However, if you check your email in the morning, you may have a lot more email to dig through, which can make it a lot easier to overlook this important message. So I'm going to set up a filter to draw attention to messages like this. First, just open up the message, click this arrow here, and then choose the Filter Messages Like This option. Obviously, these messages are coming from me, so it will be my email address in the From field. And we want to isolate the to-do keywords as the subject, and then click Create Filter. So any messages that meet those criteria will now be affected by my filter, and I'd like to have it apply a label so the messages stand out more in my inbox. To do that, I'm going to click this Apply the Label button, and then I'm going to create a new label. I will call it my to-do list, and then create the label. Now, every message that meets these criteria will be labeled. I can also make other changes, such as marking all of these emails as important if I want to, or adding existing messages that meet the criteria to the filter. Now, when I create it, you can see the messages labeled as we've specified. Next, I want to change the default Gmail view to the Priority Email Inbox view in order to make our to-do messages even more distinct from the rest of our inbox. So click on the gear icon and choose Settings, and then navigate to the Inbox tab. Change the Inbox Type drop-down menu to Priority Inbox, and then create a new section for the to-do list, like this. This creates a separate view for the to-do list, ensuring those emails never get overlooked again. That's how to turn your Gmail inbox into a to-do list. Hopefully you find this helpful, but if you have any questions at all for us, just let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.